Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks on how to make money online. If you're tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to earn some extra cash or even start a full-time business from the comfort of your own home, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 proven ways to make money online in 2023. 1. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting other people's products and services. 2. Online surveys. Get paid for sharing your opinions with companies. 3. Freelance writing. Offer your writing services to businesses and websites. 4. Dropshipping. Start an e-commerce business without the hassle of managing inventory. 5. Online tutoring. Teach students from around the world and earn money from your expertise. 6. Virtual assistant. Provide administrative and support services to businesses remotely. 7. Content creation. Monetize your YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok channels with sponsored content and ads. 8. Social media management. Help businesses manage their social media accounts and grow their following. 9. Online courses. Create and sell your own courses on platforms like Udemy and Coursera. 10. E-book writing. Write and publish your own e-books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. These are just some of the many ways you can make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time business, there's an opportunity out there for you. So start exploring and find the one that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online.